What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here, in this organic compound we have a benzene ring and we have hydroxyl group and we have some carbon group too. So in order to start naming it, we need to start with numbering all these connections. So I definitely have to start with the location of this hydroxyl group. It's going to be 1, and I need to go this way, not this way, because this branch is closer to hydroxyl. So it's going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and then this branch, I need to name this branch separately as well. So it means that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So it means that we are dealing with butane. And here we have a methyl group, which belongs to the second one. If I number this separately, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I want to name this part, it will be 2-methyl butyl, 2-methyl butyl. And here the location of this 2-methyl butyl is on the third one. So I'm gonna say 3, 2-methyl butyl, and the rest of it is gonna be phenol. So you know, when we have a benzene ring and we have one hydroxyl group, we call it a phenol. So we have 3, 2-methyl butyl phenol. This is the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it interesting and useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.